Let's learn about the mnemonic for phenytoin side effects. The mnemonic is phenytoin itself. P for P450 induction. Phenytoin causes P450 enzyme induction, leading to faster metabolism of certain drugs. This can result in reduced effectiveness of those drugs, potentially leading to treatment failure. H for hirsutism. That is excessive hair growth in women in areas where hair is typically seen in men, such as the face and chest. E for enlarged gums. N for nystagmus. That is involuntary, rapid, and repetitive eye movements that can affect vision and coordination. Y for yellow-brown skin. T for teratogenic, which means it can cause birth defects and developmental abnormalities. Phenytoin causes fetal hydantoin syndrome. It's a condition that can occur in babies who were exposed to the medication phenytoin, often used to treat epilepsy, during pregnancy. It can lead to various physical and developmental abnormalities in the newborn, including facial abnormalities, growth delays, and intellectual disabilities. O for osteopenia. That is a condition where bone mineral density is lower than normal but not as severe as osteoporosis, making bones weaker and more susceptible to fractures. I for inhibition of folate absorption. N for neuropathy.
It is damage or dysfunction of nerves, often resulting in symptoms like pain, numbness, and weakness. Like and subscribe for more helpful videos. And hit the bell icon.